Hi, I'm Sidiso Skonyela, the CEO of Setri Consulting Services. I'm bringing to you a presentation on the importance of annual financial statements. My presentation consists of 4 slides, the first one being this introduction, and on the second slide, I'll be giving you the 3 types of the most important financial statements. The first type of annual financial statements is the statement of financial position. And this is a list of assets and liabilities of a business. And this is what used to be called the balance sheet. The second type of financial statements is the statement of profit and loss and other comprehensive income, which gives a detail of a business's total revenue, costs, and ultimately profit or loss. And the last important financial statement is the statement of cash flows. And this details the cash employed in running the business and the sources from where that cash comes. On my next slide, I'll be listing to you all the important reasons why you as a business need to keep financial statements. The reasons why it is so important for a business to keep annual financial statements includes use by management. Management uses annual financial statements to do forecasts and also to make decisions and to compile other management reports, and lastly to derive market trends. The second important reason why a business needs to keep annual financial statements is government related. And coming to this aspect, government needs businesses to pay taxes, and for it to get to the correct amount of taxation that each business needs to pay, there needs to be financial statements. Most people on this aspect, when they apply for their tax clearance certificates with SARS, just put zeros, declare their revenue as zero, and get a tax clearance quickly. However, this is criminal and can land one in hot water. Before you can declare your tax liability to SARS, you need to have annual financial statements which reflect your total income for the year, your expenses, and your profit. So this is a very important aspect why a business needs to keep annual financial statements. The next one is investor related. Investors who want to put their money in a business need to know how it performs and whether it is fall solvent. The next reason why annual financial statements need to be kept by businesses is creditor related. When you apply for credit on behalf of your business, credit grantors will look at your financial statements and see to the well-being of your business in terms of its finances before they can grant credit. Then financial institutions like creditors need to know the credit worthiness of your business before they can grant you credit or funding in terms of loans or loan guarantees. Lastly, the employees in a business need to know whether the business is profitable or is growing so that they can plan accordingly in terms of their futures And even trade unions will look at this kind of financial statements in order for them to determine whether the business is remunerating its workers in a fair manner. So it is very important for businesses to indeed keep annual financial statements and to avoid trouble with government, to avoid trouble with workers, and so on. So my last slide will then be, what then do you need to do? We have talked about the importance of keeping annual financial statements. And then what? The answer is you need to talk to us, because we will assist you with annual financial statements, tax calculations and returns, business budget, financial data analysis. So for further explanation and advice, contact me on 079 079 0125, cell, call, and WhatsApp, or visit website on SETRI Consulting Services Google's sites. Thank you.